Sneezely McSneeze the Third. What the heck was that? Oh, great farty McFartface. I don't know what that was. Disgraceful. Absolutely disgraceful.
I know we can call it the Sneeze, cause in his last name it's McSneeze, but we can say it without the Mick.
I know exactly what to call it. It will be called the Sneeze.